swimming. I wish I had
I'm reading that
gills for
book.
swimming.
It's so
Wish I
And
had
I mentioned
movie star looks.
Oh, I love
I
that
wish
book.
I knew every trick in the book. I'd like to feel first love again. Be 20 years younger. But the greatest wish I want to come true. I want my dog to live longer. Wish I was the king of rock and roll. Wish I was cool and didn't know. And I wish I wrote blowing in the wind. I like to see my late father again. I'd like to stop poverty and save this world from harm. But the greatest wish I want to come true. I want my dog to live longer. Oh, I want my dog to live longer. 'Cause when she goes, I'll leave you. If I had the power, well, I'd have her live as long as me and you. That's the reason for everything.
Yeah, I don't really know where the list went now.
And in the Lord I trust. But you say God needs to see the light. Dogs don't live long enough. She picks me up when I'm sad. She's the best friend I've ever had. And I don't care where her nose has been. I'd let her lick my face again and again. Her love is unconditional. That just makes me strong. But the greatest wish I want to come true. I want my dog to live longer. Yeah, the greatest wish I want to come true. I want my dog to live longer.
That's it.